What's good, people? Welcome to Breathless Montego Bay, Jamaica. So this is the room. So when you come in, I thought this was a really cool feature. So when you come in, this is your little don't bother me, but please take my tray spot. So when you order room service and you have your trays, instead of sitting them in the hallway or waiting for people to come get them, you can set them right here in this little cubby hole. All right, so moving along, we got our bathroom area over here. Got nice double sinks. Got the bathroom area over here. You know what's going down in there. No need to show you that. You got the shower, which is cool. You not only have the regular shower head style that's, you can remove that and then have it as a handheld, but you also have the rain shower head, the giant shower head that can, wet you up real good if that's what you're into. Over here, we have the mirror slash storage. So here we have the giant sliding mirror. And then if I slide this back the other way, you'll see that it's storage. And yes, we already came in here and unpacked our stuff, so don't mind that. But then you have the safe also. And one thing to note, people, if you're an iron person, which I am, they only have steamers. So this is the steamer you're gonna get in your room. If you're not really a steaming type of person, then you can have your clothes sent to dry cleaning and they'll iron them for you. But there is no option to get an iron, so keep that in mind. And then also, you have your safe and your drawers here if you want to unpack your clothes. Here is the room temperature stuff. So you have your on and off, you have your fan controls here. Also, this is for your curtains. So your curtains are automated. You just press the buttons. And you'll want to make sure you keep that door closed because the humidity will get super crazy and you'll be slipping and sliding all over the place. So here is the bedside. You got a little lamp situation. Got some little drawers on your nightstand. Bible, just in case you want to get your prayer on. Make sure everything go well for you on your vacation. And you have this little thing which you can use to order room service and also set up, things like massages and such. It'll give you the time and the weather and things like that. Very handy, very handy. Again, you have the buttons for the lights and things and an outlet. And I always thought this was kind of cool, kind of freaky too if you're looking at it from different angles. But as you can see, this is a lady grabbing her ankles and some more arms. Don't exactly know what's going on there, but you can use your own imagination on that one. King size bed. And then again, you have those buttons on the opposite side for the other person. You do get like a little booklet so you can write things down. TV remotes, again, more drawers on the nightstand. Over here we have the TV with like some little under storage area and sound bar. It is a Bose sound bar. I don't actually use the sound bar because I have my little JBL that I usually take with me. You have your little snack and coffee area up here. So if you're a coffee person in the morning, you can make your coffee, or if you want a little snack, they have Pringles. Got a little Crunch Bar here, M&Ms. Just a little something if you're a little hungry when you first get into the room. And then you have the little bar. So going in here, you got some water, some beer. If you're into that, being in Jamaica, of course, you know how big Red Stripe is. And then also you have some Sprite, water, and different kind of sodas like that, and then just some more waters. Make sure you're staying hydrated, people. You know, you're gonna do a lot of drinking when you're out here, so you know, make sure you're tapping those waters. And then you have your couch over here. You know, just in case you're sitting around chilling. Got your little table. You can, you know, get your eat on. You order some room service. But then you have your larger table. And yes, I've already started to enjoy myself. It is my birthday, ladies and gentlemen. So that's what I got going on. Also, when you do the little birthday package, they give you, I believe this is champagne, and a little bucket and some glasses. So, you know, a little bit of artwork in the background. And the final part of this, which is the balcony area. All right, so stepping out, you got your humidity blasting, cause boy, it's hot as balls out here. And again, you get a little couch, a little table. You know, if you're sitting out here getting some food, or you know what I mean, enjoying your little smoke or something like that, if that's what you're into. And hot tub. So it's a pretty big hot tub. You know what I mean? If you want to hang out, enjoy your view. And here's your view. So our view is overlooking the pool. And then, not really sure what this is. I think it's like a canal or something. But yeah. So that is your room. The Xhale Club Ocean View king size room is what this is. Definitely a good look.